city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hello guys, today I'm going to do a watermelon, and I'm teaching how to look up the watermelon, and I'm drawing a dots.
Come on. Make a couple more dots. Spread them around. You want to make little dots. Yeah, I know you are. I can see it.
And I have it like that thing.
And when you're all done, you got a watermelon. Delicious. Can I eat it?
What?
Should we show Mom?
No.
All right. We hope you guys had
Oats.
painting your watermelons with us.
Yes.
Hope you guys are having a good time so far. Yeah? All right. Should we say goodbye to our
Mama, finish. Finish
Sale
painting.
as big as your dreams is on right now at Udemy. Want to lead teams, master Gen AI, or practice yoga? It's all possible.
Finish.
Start exploring and get the right courses for you at the
Oh,
right
wow,
place.
what is that? Did you show to your viewers?
Now's the
What
perfect
is
time
that?
to make it all happen. Shop now.
Watermelon. And what else do you want to draw?
I want to drill the chocolate. Stop it.
You can eat, baby. We're going to
Right.
paint.
you're a web designer, here are 4 Wix
Oh, you want to this one?
Ads, what are we gonna paint? You ready to start?
Oh, but we have to.
Orange.
Wait.
Okay, first step.
Have to do orange.
Because we need a lot of water.
After two. Easy ones for the meantime, baby, because we're just only starting.
Yeah. Mix it around like cookie dough.
Good morning, guys! At maalinsangan na morning sa inyo. Yung mga sinampayo gabi na ulanan. Umulan na madaling araw dahil kahapon ang init-init. Hindi ako nag-expect na uulan ng gabi. Nakulo na. So, nga pala nakita nyo, naglinis kami ng bahay. So, magulo na naman ito. Hindi maiwasan kasi guys. Alam niyo naman pag nagluluto, madalian. So, hindi ko na na-arrange ulit. Importante malinis. Pinapatuyo ko lang to bago ko ilagay doon sa taas. Si Mr. ang nag-ayos dito guys, hindi ako. Parang wala din sa hulog yung arrangement dito. Importante tinulungan ako. Importante na naman guys, kung kahit hindi naman mukhang arrange dyan, ang importante kasi malinis. So, nag-grahams ako, gumawa ako ng grahams. Pagpasensya nyo ng damit ko guys. Ayan, so gumawa ako ng grahams. Hindi naman sa totally grahams, ano siya? Yung ginamit ko is yung Parley G na, tawag nito, na biscuit. Yung pinang mango float ko. So, titingnan natin mamaya kung ano yung lasa niya kasi nga matamis tong biscuit na to. Hindi naman sobrang tamis. Alam niyo yung mga tamis ng biscuit, yung ganun. So, titingnan namin. If ever na mag-okay yung lasa nito, ito yung processan ko kay Mr. dun sa kanyang patlak. Nadadali pala sa mga Australiano. Nag-ready ako ng museli para sa breakfast ni Mr. Museli na for you, right, ate?
Yes, Mom. Can you just come on?
Wait lang, baby. Hindi ko alam kung sila rin kakain ito. So, namili kami ng ilang groceries gabi sa D-Mart guys at naubusan kami ng mga ilang mga ilan naman ito bumili ako ng peanuts. Magkano ang peanuts dito guys? This is 500 grams ng ground peanut. Nagkakalaga siya ng 122. Ayan. Yung papad. May mga crackers sa atin. Ito. Gagawa tayo mamaya ng idli. Ito yung raba niya. May nabili nga pala akong Korean ramen dito. Tingnan natin siya mamaya. Iniisip kong ito na yung pang lunch ko mamaya or what. Ayan. Munggo. Magkano munggo dito? Yung 500 grams nagkahalaga ng 126. So, ay may ano nga. Tapos yung noodles nila dito guys, ito ay 2, 4, 6 pack, 6 pieces siya. Ito na may nagkakahalaga ng, ito na ba yung, ano nito? Ito. 77 yung 6 na pack nito. And sa totoo lang guys, hindi lang naman yan sa Pinas tumaas yung mga bilihin. Kahit na dito na rin sa India. But the thing is, yung gulay lang talaga dito, yung mababa ang presyo. Yung sa bigas naman guys, ang pinaka mababa na binibili namin is nasa 60 or 50. So, katulad din sa Pinas. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, ang kinabaan lang dito sa India, yung tubig at kuryente, paulit-ulit na sinasabi, dito napakamura. So, nagamit kami ng aircon, ref, TV, iron, blower pa. 800. Ayan. Kung siguro sa atin sa Pinas yung ganitong gamitan, naabot na siguro kami ng mga 2,000. O di ba yung tubig dito, libre. Pero depende rin sa lugar, sa state, yes. And the thing is, when it comes to sa pamasahe, yan, pagpalagay natin, bus dito guys, yung government ang nakahawak sa bus dito. So, mura lang yung pamasahe sa bus. Kaya, although na parehas ang India at Pinas na nasa third country, pero masasabi ko lang medyo maalwan pa siguro. Pagpalagay natin na yung sweldo dito sa India, sa Pinas, kung nasa regular na trabaho ka, medyo mas maalwan dito guys kasi nga hindi pa sakit dito yung sa gulay, kuryente, tubig kasi libre, yung pamasahe, ayan, tiyaga lang magantay ng bus. Hindi kamukha sa atin na talaga parang alam mo yun na nakikita ka naman sa mga news na pahirapan na dyan sa atin sa Pinas. Dito, medyo maalwan-alwan pa yung mga mahihirap. Pagpalagay natin na nasa mga mahihirap. Kasi may mga rasyon din sila dito rin. Katulad ng NFA rice guys, yung mga pulses nila dito, pagpalagay natin kung nakuha sa mga ration center, ayan, may limit din yan, yung 1 kilo, naman sa 2 rupees, 1 rupee, or depende sa lugar. So, yun lang yung kaibahan din talaga dito guys. Sabi ko pa, sana kung katulad din ng Pinas yung India, na kahit nasa third world country, alam mo yun, yung hindi mahirap yung pamumuhay na parang lahat na lang bibilhin, lahat na lang nagmahal. Yun lang, sana all. Lagay ko na lang ito sa box. Mamaya siguro ito ang set siya ng buhay. Morning! Who is that? Where? Huh?
Also next thing.
Oh, that one requires what do you call this?
Pen.
Yeah.
Take the colors from there. She'll definitely.
What is that, Rain? Ate painting? Ang gulo yun naman siguro. No, later baby. That's for only grown-ups. That's for ates. Do you want to write? Or we're going to write?
I don't know how to make so.
What do you want to?
I don't know how to make.
Make what? You can use different colors.
The black.
Yeah. Your black is here, oh. Oh.
With green.
Mm.
Not with green mix.
No mixing, baby. Oh, dyan na mama water.
How much the box?
Di pa nagmumumog dyan ka na dyan ka na ano ha. Sabad-sabad ha. We're going to eat. Oh, watch baby. What is the nearest planet near the
Mercury.
Sun? Mercury. Next to Mercury?
Venus.
Are you sure? I don't know, I forgot. Then what's next to Venus?
Earth.
And then?
There's a Mercury, right?
Then what's the matter out?
There's especially this near the sun.
Oh.
Sun light is pointing to the line, right? There's a line. After that, this is the sun. This is the earth. This is the Venus, right?
Venus. Venus or Mercury? Which is what planet next near? Oh, Mercury. Then what happened to Mercury?
The sun is pointing. The sun is going to this.
It's not the sun. It's the ray of light from the sun passes through this planet. It's not the sun itself going its planet, otherwise you're already doomed. Like for example, the planet, that is Mercury. That's the middle of the sun, right? This is the sun. Sun is there only staying, but the light goes through the planet. Did you get what I mean? See, the light is scattered everywhere, right? Like the sun.
After that,
Did you get it?
yes. After that, in a Venus, right? In a Venus, it has lava.
Venus or
Inside.
Mars?
Mercury. After that,
I guess I think I need to go back to school.
after that, Venus.
Then,
The Venus very hottest.
hotter or Mercury?
No, Venus.
How come?
The Venus na. Has a
Venus, right? Not na.
The sun is pointing to the Venus.
Not pointing, baby. Passing through the light is the light rays are passing through the planet, not pointing.
The Venus not so hot. Venus not so hot. No, not hot. Normal hot not. The temperature is so small. So hot.
The temperature is high. If you say that the temperature is less, like small, that is cold.
Temperature is very high.
Oh.
So it's going
What
to
about
be,
the Earth?
the earth is cool down. So is the water.
Ah, boy, you know.
Because it has a fresh air.
Wow. Where did you learn now?
I learned from the TV.
Oh, you really like?
The Venus not so high.
Oh.
So it's going to be hot.
So, mag-aalas 7 na ng gabi, guys. At binibilis ako maglinis ng bahay dahil aalis kami, bibili kami ng baboy. Dahil bukas nakikita-kita kami nila Mami G, tsaka nila Ate Marisa. Kasi nga papasukan na next month, isang week na lang. 1 week left na lang at bubuksan na naman yung klase dito. So, ang balak sana namin talaga is magsiswimming kami sa Wonderla. Kasi nga, bago magtapos ang summer, kailangan muna namin mag-summer getaway. Kaso lang, may balak daw tong community dito sa Independence Day na baka daw, hindi ko lang alam, hindi ko lang sure, binahagi lang din naman sa akin. Balak daw nila mag-swimming, so sabi nila, doon na lang daw kami, mag-swimming pag talagang pag natuloy yung celebration nilang yun. Pero hindi ko alam guys kung makakasama ako. Ayan, kasi ang dami namin babayaran sa ngayong pasukan ni Anika. Masyadong maraming bayarin ngayon, so hindi ko alam kung makakasama kami. So tingnan lang natin guys. So bigla ko tawagan ko nga pala si Mister na kaagapan ko na maglinis ng bahay at medyo nagluto na din ako ng pang-lunch ni Mister. At pagdating namin mamaya kakain ang gagawa na lang ako ng chapati. Magro-roll ng chapati. Ngayon ko ngayong gabi ko napapakul yung mamoy natin. What did you brought? Nagtataka siguro kayo guys. Gabi na ako maglinis dito ng higaan namin kasi pag maglilinis ako ng umaga, ganun din, alikabok din. So, para isahang linis na lang, gabi ko siya ginagawa. Papa brought something home. What is that? Chocolates? Why just now they brought this one? Why just only now they brought this one? Oh, I thought from Australian, oh. Oh, wow. Also this one? Yung katrabaho ni Papa, guys, pumunta kasi ng Dubai.
Chicken green hands, go.
Huh?
Sino nagsulat na naman?
They didn't got the story.
Which one? Oh! Masalubungan din pala siya ng ano niya. Yung nagbakasyon kasi from Dubai under Papa's team. Wow! Ba may new shades ang ate. Diba? Let's open it. Chocolate rin, oh. Wait. We should not do that one. Tomorrow, would you like to wear this one going to Choco's house? How to open this one?
Dress.
I already need the dough. Parang mabuksan to.
See, it has a
Parang may ano pa ito.
little hat.
Mag-open lang, di ba? may packing. Oh, okay. This is the shades. Ano, may ponytail pa pala siya. Ang cute niya, oh. Dati,
Huh?
mabog, masabog na. Diba? Aray!
Dahil na.
Si Ate Rina! Rain! Busy naman kasusulat yun. Mga scholar na yun si Rain eh. At si Ate Anika, up where to baby Rain? Sige, put it on her. Put it on her.
Sunglasses. This is the sunglasses.
Wow! Tsura niyan eh. Wait lang ay. Lagay niya naman kasi nagsangga. Aba! Bas madam, diba? Aba, dumadam man ba? What happened?
You don't want? She don't like it.
She likes it, see?
Oh, see, I don't.
She likes it. Who is this? Reyna, this one no? Who is that? Who is that? Aba! Hindi na tinanggal. Ay, balik sa ate niya.
Hi guys. I have my surprise. This is my bag.
Pasalubong.
Pasulubong. What is pasulubong? This is my bag. It has a tasty, Let's wear.
See? What are you guys are having?
I don't want airplane to fall down.
Huh?
I don't want airplane to fall down.
That is just only showdown. Aba. She's asking Tio. So we're having a ginger tea, guys. Ako may ginger and lemon. Kaya medyo maputi yung aking
Cheese.
You guys are enjoying your tea? Okay, Ate Anika, nilagyan ko siya ng lemon. Ayan.
Cheese.
Nam Rain?
It's fun to.
Yummy?
It's fun to say cheers.
Ha?
It's fun to say cheers. Cheers is very fun.
Sleepy? Sleepy.
Me also sleepy.
Paano kasi puro alas 12 na natutulog? Oh.
Me also sleepy.
Okay, we're going to sleep na.
Guys.
Ito ang numero unong dahilan no kung bakit late na kayo magsitulog. So kagagaling namin guys, kanina pa kami nakarating. Bumili kami ng sandals ni Rain dahil nung nakaraang araw, mga nag-uulan dito sa Hyderabad guys, yung hangin sobrang lakas. Yung lalagyan namin ng sapatos, tumalsik hanggang doon. Dito yung lalagyan namin ng sapatos, tumalsik siya hanggang dito. Tapos yung mga basahan ko, yung sandals ni Rain, tumalsik sa kabilang building, ganun kalakas. Tapos nagtumbahan yung mga sanga ng puno dito sa area namin. Tapos mga 5 oras yatang brown out last time. So, napabili kami ng wala sa oras ng sandals. At yung ating si Mamoy, ayan, pinakuluan ko lang siya at bukas kasi nga pupunta kanila Mami G, ito yung dala ko sa kanila. So tingnan na lang natin sa next vlog kung ano yung mga handa namin doon, ha? Wow!
I have my.
Wow! You like it?
Yes.
So it's already 10 guys, so that's it for today's video guys. So nag-oil na din ako. Tingnan ko bukas kung makakapag-facial ako.
Paalam!
Paalam! Bye-bye! So that's it for today's video guys. So maraming salamat sa pagsama ngayon sa ating vlog. And antabayanan nyo sa next ating vlog o mga ganap namin sa bahay ng mga
Paalam!